Hey everybody, I'm Ashley and over here I'm with May. Say hi, May.
Hi guys.
And today me and May thought that we should do, of course, another edit competition, and May is going to pick the theme this time.
I for sure last time
Okay, so today's theme is nature, so we have to make an edit based on nature, and yeah. And if this video gets at least 3 likes, then we're gonna be making the same song edit challenge. So if you don't know what the same song edit challenge is we have to use the exact same song from the exact same video, and we have to make an edit using that song. Anyways, we'll be right back after our edit. Say bye, May.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Eyes blue
Fly the Atlantic and I'm going down
like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic and I'm going down.
like the Titanic. Eyes blue like the Atlantic and I'm going